I was working 7 days a week, 12 plus hours a day. When I did the math earlier this year in 2021, I realized I was paying myself about $5 an hour. I knew things needed to change. So my hustling and going after the next new piece of business wasn't making a difference. All I was doing was working more hours and just struggling to stay afloat. In the long term, if I kept struggling down this path, I may have gotten frustrated to the point where I just closed the doors. Financial Fitness Formula is a course by Trull that changed my life. It gave me a template in which I could run my business. You don't need to know anything going into it. She really walks you through it. And even for someone like me who has advanced degrees in these topics, I never felt like it was too basic for me. Her plug and play spreadsheets really help me because as my business changes, as situations change, as I hire new employees and team members, I'm actually able to better account for what each thing is costing me and adjust what I'm billing my clients accordingly so that way every job that I'm quoting is now profitable. I am proud to say that the most positive outcome from the course is that I actually pay myself regularly. I understand my cash flows. I'm definitely able to forecast my business into the future more effectively. I was not afraid to sign a 5-year lease for my office. I'm becoming more of the CFO of my business. I feel confident that I'm going to stay in business, that I am going to be able to be profitable, pay myself, and support my family. Jamie, thank you so much. I feel like I want to tear up. The course itself just changed the way I look at my business, and I'm so much more confident, and I'm still able to do things the way I want to do them, and that has just been unbelievable.